Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a video featuring one of my clients' stunning nail design. She requested a gorgeous ombre effect with a touch of glitter. And I will be walking you through the entire process of creating this nail art, including the essential steps for acrylic application. We will cover everything from cuticle area to buffing, ensuring that each step is thoroughly explained and why it is important. But first, take a moment to admire the beautiful nails I have created for my client. Now let's dive into the tutorial and create this stunning look together. Stay tuned. So first step while doing the acrylic application is to push the cuticle. Pushing back the cuticle is a crucial step in acrylic nail extension as it steps the foundation for a flawless application. By gently pushing back the cuticles, nail technician ensures that the nail bed is clean and free from any dirt or excess that could interfere with the attachment of the acrylic. This creates a smooth and even surface for the acrylic to bond to, reducing the risk of lifting or premature chipping of the extension. Moreover, pushing back the cuticles promotes healthy nail growth by allowing the nails to breathe and receive proper nourishment, leading to strong nails. Furthermore, pushing back the cuticles also helps to improve the all-over appearance of the nails by creating a well-groomed and polished look. Step 2 is to cut the cuticle. The main reason nail technician cut the cuticles is to achieve a clear and more polished appearance. Trimming the cuticle can create the illusion of longer nail bed and make the nail look more groomed. Additionally, cutting the cuticle may help prevent hangnails and promote a smoother surface for acrylic application. However, it's essential to note that cutting the cuticle too aggressively or improper can lead to cuts, infections and more complications. Therefore, it's crucial for nail technician to exercise caution and use proper techniques when cutting the cuticles, ensuring the safety and health of their client's nails. Ultimately, the decision to cut the cuticle should be made carefully, taking into account the individual client's need and preference, as well as the potential risk involved. Buffing your natural nails before applying acrylic is really important. It helps to make the surface smooth and even, which make the acrylic stick better and last longer. By buffing, we get rid of any rough spots or oily on the nails, so acrylic stays put and doesn't chip easily. It's like giving the acrylic a clean and tidy place to stick to, so your nails look perfect for longer. So buffing is a key step in getting a great acrylic nail look that lasts. Buffing ensures that the nail surface is uniform and free from any imperfection, allowing for a more even and consistent application of acrylic product, resulting in a flawless finish. Also, buffing the nails before acrylic application helps to create a stronger bond between the acrylic and the natural nail, resulting in longer lasting extensions that withstand everyday wear. And buffing can help to remove stains or discoloration from the nail surface, resulting in a clear and more polished appearance of acrylic application. It's time to attach the nail tip to your natural nail. We do this to add length and strength to our nails. Here is how we do it. Select the correct size nail tip for each of your natural nails. The tip should fit from side walls to side wall without hanging over the edges. Apply a small amount of nail glue to the tip of your natural nails, or else you can apply the glue onto the tip as well. Carefully place the nail tip onto the natural nail, ensuring that it is aligned properly and fits from side wall to side wall. Press down gently onto the nail tip to ensure it in place and hold for a few seconds to allow the glue to bond. Attaching nail tips provides stability to natural nail, preventing breakage and promoting healthy nail growth underneath the acrylic extension. Nail tips allow for customization of nail length and shape, giving you the flexibility to achieve your desired nail look. Now it's time to cut the nail length. Decide on the length you want for your nails. You can choose to keep them long, medium or short depending on your preference. Using a nail clipper or nail scissor, carefully trim the nail tip to your desired length. Start by cutting a little at a time, as you can always trim more if needed. Ensure that all nails are cut to the same length for a uniform and balanced look. Now let's talk about the nail shape. Start by trimming the nail tip to your desired length. Keep it slightly longer than you want the final shape to be. To create the oval shape, use a nail clipper or nail scissor to cut the side walls of the nail tip at a slight angle. This will remove some of the width from the side and begin to shape the nail into an oval. After cutting the side walls, use a nail file to gently round off the edges of the nail tip. Start from one side and file towards the center. Then repeat on the other side to create a smooth and symmetrical oval shape. Continue filing and shaping until you achieve the desired oval shape. Be sure to check the shape regularly as you file and ensure that both sides are even and balanced. By cutting the side walls of the nail tip, you will save time and efforts when come to buffing and shaping the nails. This shortcut allows you to quickly create the oval shape, giving you elegant and beautiful nails in no time. We apply primer before applying acrylic on the nails to ensure better placement and longer lasting result. Primer helps to dehydrate the natural nail, removing any oils or moisture that could interfere with the bonding process. This creates a clean and dry surface for the acrylic to adhere to, ensuring a strong and durable bond between the natural nail. Now moving on to the acrylic application, mixing the acrylic now. Let's talk about ratios. The key to successful acrylic application lies in getting the right balance of acrylic powder to monomer. Start by pouring a small amount of monomer liquid into a damping dish. Then dip your acrylic brush into the monomer and swipe off any excess liquid onto the edge of the dish. Next, gently dip the brush into the acrylic powder, ensuring to pick up the right amount of your desired bead size. Experiment with different ratios to find what works best for you. Applying the acrylic powder with your brush loaded with acrylic powder, it's time to apply it onto the nails. Start by placing a small bead of acrylic near the cuticle area and gently pat it down to create the desired thickness. Use the belly of the brush to gently press and shape the acrylic, working from the cuticle towards the free edge. Remember to work quickly but with precision, as acrylic dries fast. Repeat this process for each nail, ensuring even coverage and smooth application. Let's talk about the bead techniques. In acrylic, there are 3 methods: 2 bead acrylic, 1 bead acrylic and 3 bead acrylic. So 1 bead extension technique is perfect for creating natural look nail extension with minimal product usage. Start by dipping your acrylic brush into the monomer liquid and wipe off any excess. Then gently dip the brush into the acrylic powder to pick up a small of the product. Place the bead near the cuticle area and gently pat it down to create the desired thickness. Use the belly of the brush to shape the bead and extend it towards the free edge of the nail. Repeat this process for each nail, ensuring even coverage and smooth application. Whereas the 2 bead extension technique is ideal for adding length and strength to the nails while still maintaining a natural look. Begin by applying a small amount of acrylic near the cuticle area, similar to the 1 bead technique. Once the first bead is placed, apply second bead slightly below the first bead, overlapping it slightly to ensuring a seamless transition. Use the belly of the brush to blend the 2 beads together and create a smooth uniform surface. Continue to shape and extend the beads towards the free edge of the nail, working quickly but with precision to avoid drying. And lastly, 3 bead extension. For those seeking maximum length and durability, the 3 bead extension technique is the way to go. Start by applying a small bead of acrylic near the cuticle area, similar to the 1 and 2 bead techniques. Once the first bead is in the place, apply a second bead below it, overlapping slightly to create a smooth transition. Then apply a third bead below the second bead, extending it further towards the free edge of the nail. Use the belly of the brush to blend the bead together and create a seamless uniform surface. Repeat this process for each nail, ensuring even coverage and smooth application. With these techniques, you will be able to create stunning nail extension with ease, experimenting with different bead size and placement to achieve your desired look. And don't be afraid to get creative. In the video, you will see that I have demonstrated each method step by step. But remember, the key to mastering bead extension is practice. As you practice, you will learn how to take the bead properly. Hold your brush with confidence and blend the bead seamlessly. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. Practice makes perfect. It's essential to focus on creating smooth and even nails. Take your time to blend the acrylic and shape the nails to perfection. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and bead size to find what works best for you. With patience and precision, you will soon become a pro and creating stunning nail extension. So keep practicing and never stop learning. Give it a try and let me know into the comment section which method you find easiest. Experimenting with different techniques is the best way to discover what works best for you. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience. I'm here to help you on your nail journey. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning process and they help you to grow and improve. Take each mistake as opportunity to learn and refine your skills. Remember, every mistake brings you one step closer to mastery. So keep practicing, keep learning and don't give up. Now it's time to buff the acrylic powder to make the surface even. Buffing is important because it helps to smooth out any roughness or evenness on the nail surface. When we apply acrylic powder, there may be small bumps or imperfection that needs to smoothen out for a flawless finish. Buffing also helps to refine the shape of the nails and create a uniform surface, ensuring that the final result looks neat and professional. Additionally, buffing promotes better placement for nail polish or gel application, allowing it to adhere evenly and last longer. So by buffing the acrylic powder, we can achieve a smooth and polished look that enhances the overall appearance of the nails. While buffing, it's crucial to be careful not to damage the skin around the cuticle or any area of the nail. The buffer can be hard, so it's essential to maintain focus and control to avoid accident cutting the skin. Take your time and use gentle control movement to buff the nails, ensuring that you are not applying too much pressure. Additionally, always keep the buffer at a slight angle to the nail surface to minimize the risk of injuring the skin. Remember safety first. Apply gentle pressure while buffing to avoid injury the skin. Stay focused and attentive while buffing to prevent accidents. Use control movement to ensure smooth and even buffing. Keep the buffer at a slight angle to nail surface to minimize the risk of cutting the skin. If you feel distracted, take breaks to rest and refocus before continuing. So far, I have walked you through the essential step of applying acrylic powder and explained why each step is crucial for achieving beautiful nails. This comprehensive guide serves as part 1 of our acrylic powder tutorial series, with more exciting content to come in part 2. Be sure to watch the video to see the techniques in action and stay updated on the latest tips and tricks for nails. In addition to mastering the steps, it's important to understand the underlying principle behind each technique. By delving into the why behind the how, you will gain a deeper understanding of nail artistry and be better occupied to tackle any challenges that arises. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to experience and refine your skills. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will dive into creating stunning ombre design and mastering the art of applying gel polish. In this next installment, we will walk you through the easy step-by-step techniques for achieving flawless ombre nails and share insider tips for applying gel polish like a pro. Get ready to evaluate your nail game and learn new techniques that will take your nail artistry to the next level. If you found value in this video and enjoyed watching it, I encourage you to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to continue creating content that you will love. If you have any question or need clarification on anything discussed in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Your feedback helps me understand your needs better, and I will do my best to address them in future videos. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep supporting and perfecting the art of nail care. Together we will nail it. See you in the next video.